In the first week since the vaccines arrived in the state of Oklahoma, we have given it to 21,000 healthcare workers and first responders. That number includes people from all 77 counties in the state of Oklahoma.
Oklahoma's health commissioner expects nearly 175,000 high-risk Oklahomans to be vaccinated before the end of the year, and they could begin vaccinating in the second phase as early as next week, which includes teachers and public health support staff. This as medical workers with Ascension St John health system, including ICU doctors, are contacting our newsroom saying that they're still waiting to get a first dose of the COVID vaccine. Internal documents we obtained confirm that St. John is experiencing vaccine difficulties.
Yeah, this letter signed by Ascension St John leaders accuses the Tulsa Health Department of initially not making the vaccine available to them. It's dated December 18th and signed by two leaders of the Ascension St John health system, the chief clinical officer and regional chief medical officer. The letter says Ascension submitted a list of 650 prioritized caregivers to the Tulsa Health Department for COVID vaccinations. It then reads the list was amended to include a total of 900 names. The letter then accuses the Tulsa Health Department of providing vaccinations to a small number of healthcare workers, and that THD's vaccination processes were deemed inadequate. The letter also says Ascension St. John was asked to look for vaccination alternatives. This comes as our newsroom is contacted by Ascension employees, one of them a physician, saying ICU doctors are still waiting for dose 1. And the day before the letter was sent, we got a call by a family member of an Ascension frontline worker who also hadn't received the shot. All of those with concerns wished to remain anonymous. When asked about the worry, Ascension's communications specialist said all the pre-identified staff are receiving the vaccine by THD. I'm still waiting on a comment regarding the letter. After asking THD about meeting vaccine distribution goals, I got this statement saying they continue to provide vaccines as quickly as individuals can be scheduled to receive them, and that they're working with 24 entities in Tulsa County to provide access to those identified in Phase 1. So the letter closes by saying Ascension is accelerating efforts to provide vaccinations on site. Meanwhile, St. Francis will help vaccinate Ascension's Priority 1A physicians and associates. Workers on that list will get a phone call to schedule an appointment. And the Tulsa Health Department is aware of the letter but hasn't addressed it just yet. We'll keep you posted. I'm Sarah Pizarro, 2 Works for You.